Hi guys, Sunita here. Welcome to the wonderful world of biology, one-on-one. I'm going to talk to you guys about the DNA structure to the best possible knowledge that I have of it. Here we go. Okay, so the DNA structure was founded by two people. One was an American, his name is James Watson, and the other is an Englishman, his name is Francis Crick, which they originally got the picture of the double helix from a scientist by the name of Rosalind Franklin, which is this lady right here. And this is the DNA picture x-ray that she took of DNA. And Crick happened to go to the laboratory where she was working and ran across it, and he took his knowledge of what he saw and went back and told Watson, and they became the founding fathers of DNA. DNA is inherited by your parents. It is a total of 46 chromosomes. That is a lot of chromosomes, really small, itty bitty things in your body. You can't see it unless you have a microscope, of course. It's hereditary information from one generation to the next. That's how you can tell if someone in your family looks like you. That is because of DNA. Like if your son looks like you, or if your daughter looks like you, or you look like your mom, or you look like your pops, your dad. That's what the DNA structure is. It's genetic information. It is composed of 4 nucleotide monomers, which are a part of the double helix, which is this right here. This is the double helix, and they are called adenine, which is A, thymine, which is T, guanine, which is G, and cytosine, which is C. And they each pair with each other. A pairs with T and G pairs with C. No matter how the helix is formed, that's the way it connects. A with T, G with C. If anybody ever asks you about DNA, just remember ATGC, and you should be good to go. They are called parent molecules, which is basically their base is called a base paired hydrogen bond, because they have specific partners. Like I said, A with T and G with C. Which is this is how they are. See, AT, CG, TA, AT, GC. No matter how the structure is formed, that is the only way the DNA will work. If there's a mishap in it, then that means you have a lost chromosome or you have a deformity. So have to check that out if possible. The importance of this structure is really, really important. If there's ever a situation within your family, like let's say that there's Down syndrome, or there's some type of defect within someone within your family, the DNA structure can be broken down to let you know what percentage, or if that person is a carrier of that particular strand. And it also helps doctors figure out how to, what's the word I'm looking for? How to help or lessen the struggle with whatever type of complication that could come from having that defect within your DNA strand. It also helps with finding cures for cancers and all kinds of different medicines that are out there, because the DNA strands were founded and brought up. That's why they're so important. And it also helps with, let's say, adoption. If you don't look like your parents, that DNA strand, you know, if you take a blood test or something like that, it lets people know this is your child and this is your child. DNA is never wrong. DNA is always right. So just remember, A with T, G with C. Until next time. Bye.